Okay, language explorers. Monday nouns. Let's have a look at the noun case. 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 So, a situation. When something happens. Okay, case. Okay. What's happening? What is happening? What is happening? Yes, what's happening? So, in this case, we won't go there. We have a choice. So we're here, A. We have a choice, either B or C. Okay, so if we choose B, this will happen. If we choose C, that'll happen. Okay. But in case that happens, we need to choose B. So in case that happens, we won't go there. We won't go there. So we'll choose B. If that happens, we won't go there. We'll go there instead. In this case, this situation, if that situation happened, in that case, we better go there instead. In this case, we won't go there. When you look at those cases, those situations, those events, those times, those events, those times, when you look at those times, those cases, people did this, some people did that. In my case, what I did was something else. Yeah. When he had the problem, in his case, in his situation, in his case, he stayed at home. So, for example, in my case, when I went to Scotland, I spent 2 weeks driving and visiting different places and cities. In my case, I spent a lot of time. In his case, when he went around Wales, he spent 5 days and stayed in his car. In his case, he did it his way. He stayed in cars. In my case, I stayed in hotels. The situation when something happens. That is an old case of the blues, an old situation, old scenario of the blue being a bit sad, being a bit down. An old case, old typical situation. Old typical situation. Yeah. It looks like a strange case. Like, really? Why did that happen? How could that have happened? That was really weird. How did that happen? So in this case, in the picture, we need to turn right and go into the other lane, just in case the car in front does something. So you need to avoid it and go into the right-hand lane. You will have to go there just in case. You'll have to go into the right-hand lane just in case. You need to turn right just in case if these things happen. So if this bad thing happens here, we need to choose this one just in case. Exactly. So I'm recording lessons in case I need to leave early today. Yeah, it's 1:15 now. 1:15, and I'm recording lessons now in case, just in case I don't have time this evening. Yeah, in case. Yes, very much so. Yeah, very good. Yeah, just in case. If this happens, there's that word, if this happens, I should choose that one, just in case. In case that doesn't happen, I need to go over there and talk to them. In case, yeah. So, language explorers, can you use case in a sentence? Can you? Write in the comments below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. More videos every day. And You can find me on Facebook and Telegram, English with Adrian, and Udemy, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.